Hello, so welcome back. So in this question that we have today, it is stating that the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5:6 if its perimeter is 56 centimeters. Use the hero's formula to find its area. So the aim of this question is to use hero's formula in calculating the area of a triangle. So the perimeter is equals to 56 and the ratio of the perimeter is 3:5:6. So this is the ratio between the three sides of the triangle. So it is, if it is this three, it is 3 of the total. So the total is 14. So that we can know the first dimension in centimeters. So 3 all over 14 times 56 is equal to 12 centimeters. And the next one is 5 is equal to 20 centimeters. And the last one is 6 over 40 times 56 equals to 24 centimeters. So this is how, these are the dimensions of the triangle, of that triangle. So you can have a sketch. So let's say 24, 20 and 12. So in a normal situation, we have a rectangle triangle where we have an 8 degrees at one corner. We normally use this formula, half multiplied by the base and multiplied by the height. But in this case, we can find out if it is in right angle. So we can have 20 square plus 12 square should be equals to 24 square. In this case, we're going to have 544 equals to 576, which is not the case. So we are not going to use this formula. So we are going to use hero's formula, which states that the area of a triangle is equals to the square root of the half of the summation b versus s minus a, that is one side, and s minus b the other side, and s minus c. So this is, let's have, and s is equals to a plus b plus c, which is the perimeter divided by 2. So you can have this sketch as like this. So let this be 24, 12 and 20, or any other way. So let this be a, b and c, so that we can have the area. So s is equals to 12 plus 20 plus 24 all over 2, which is equals to 56 divided by 2 is equal to 28. So a is equals to the square root of 28 minus 12, that is our a, then 28 minus 20 b, then 28 minus 24. So a is equal to 28, that is the square root. So 16, when we subtract here we get 8, and when we subtract here we're going to get 4. So a is equals to the square root of 14,336. So the area is equal to 119 700 and that 119.733 centimeters square. So the area of that triangle is equals to 119.733 centimeters square. Thank you.